Apple has just unveiled its most advanced watch yet, packed with groundbreaking features and a sleek new design. From its massive display to its revolutionary finishes, we've got all the details you need to know. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. So, let's get into it. Slimmer design. In terms of design, the Series 10 is the thinnest Apple Watch ever, measuring just 9.7 millimeters, nearly 10% slimmer than the Series 9. This slim profile was achieved by miniaturizing internal components and re-engineering the speaker system to be 30% smaller, all while maintaining high-quality acoustic performance. For the first time, you can play media directly through the speaker. The new metal back integrates the antenna into the housing, creating a sleeker look. Advanced display. The Apple Watch Series 10 introduces the largest and most advanced display ever featured on an Apple Watch. This cutting-edge display is even slightly larger than the Apple Watch Ultra, providing up to 30% more screen area compared to previous models. Jet Black finish. The Series 10 debuts Jet Black, the first polished aluminum finish on an Apple Watch. This sleek, glossy black was specifically designed for this model, with the case made from a durable aluminum alloy and polished to a reflective shine using advanced silica nanoparticles. Alongside Jet Black, you can choose from a beautiful warm rose gold and the ever-popular silver aluminum. Health monitoring. Additionally, the Series 10 offers sleep apnea detection, a critical feature for the over 1 billion people worldwide affected by this condition. The Health app securely tracks your data and provides alerts and educational resources, emphasizing the importance of consulting with a healthcare provider. Powerful performance. Inside, the Series 10 is powered by the new Apple S10 chip, which brings top-notch performance, power efficiency, and advanced features. Its 4-core neural engine supports functions like double tap on the device, Siri dictation, and automatic workout detection. Availability and pricing. Starting at $399, the Apple Watch Series 10 is available for pre-order today, with its official release set for September 20th. That wraps up our look at the Apple Watch Series 10. What do you think of its new features and design? Are you excited about the jet black finish or the polished titanium options? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.